Lately, I've been editing videos, and because it's an educational channel, I had to create videos that have text overlays on it, and it has been going quite insane. If you don't use Canva's keyboard shortcuts on your design process, maybe this is a great time to start using it because it saves me a lot of time when you have to at least reduce the amount of time that you are using when you are creating. Using shortcuts is a great way to save time and speed up your design process. Canva has a lot of shortcuts that you can use, and they really help a lot. And then share the templates that you can use and download and save it wherever you need to save it as like your cheat sheet, and use it to help you with your design process. Let's jump in on Canva and learn a few of these shortcuts and enjoy our time. On our list is the Canva Assistant. It is exactly that. It's an AI tool that helps you design better on Canva. It's sitting at the bottom of your editor, and it is called a Canva Assistant. It immediately gives you a clue to say that if you press the /, then you will have access to Canva Assistant. The other shortcut that you could use for Canva Assistant is if you're using a Mac, Command E, or if you're using Windows, Control E. So let's try it. I'm pressing my / key and my Canva Assistant displays. Again, if I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to go Command E. Same thing happens. I get my Canva Assistant, and it's exactly that. So let's quickly browse through the Assistant and let's see the shortcuts that are already on the Canva Assistant to help you. It gives you access to Magic Write. So if you were to either click on here to add a text box or press T, the same happens. So the text displays. If you select again the Canva Assistant or you press your /, it gives you option for the element that you've selected, which is the text element. So it gives you an option to summarize, expand, rewrite, edit Magic Write because you have selected the text element. And if you scroll down, there are even more text actions that are available for you because you've selected the text element. And there's effects on this text, font size. When you click on show more, there's color, there's animate element, transparency, send it backward, send it back, text styles, align to page, and link, comment, duplicate, and the alternative text. The other cool thing, because I'm on a current design and I have some sort of elements, the Canva Assistant shows me there are designs on your design, and these are more additional elements that you could use for your design. That's why it's showing me designs that are in line with what I'm busy creating. When I click on select all, then it gives me the magic recommendation as it is what it's called, a Canva Assistant. So I'm gonna go back to the Canva Assistant, the normal one, and scroll down. There's the text that we've had a look at, and we've seen if you select a shortcut, it gives you even more shortcuts on that element that you've selected. So there's the share option that you could use. When we select more or show more, there's downloads, and it shows you how it looks like. There's layers, and we're going to look at layers just now because I'm super excited about that. And there's draw, there's translate, there's resize, line, your L, there's arrow, rectangle, circle, triangle, heart, star, hexagon, pentagon, and then the add page. And then there's also mockups that you get to have access to without going through to the home page to have access to your mockups. And then there's magic morph. That's also quite cool when you would like to create that morph using your AI on Canva. And there's that create a new design, you could add a table, add a pie chart, and so on and so forth. So there is a lot of shortcuts already available for you on your Canva Assistant. So please do take note that if you find a shortcut, Canva gives you the shortcut itself, and some of the shortcuts I've added for you on a PDF document that you could download for free and use, like this one that's called Find and Replace Text. It's your Command F or your Control F if you're using Windows when you are busy working, like the document that you saw that I was working on. So Find and Replace is quite very, very useful when you're working on a lot of documents. So that's the first one that we've covered, and it is our Canva Assistant, my absolute favorite. What I want us to look at is Find and Replace Text. As you can clearly see, this document that I'm working on, that I'm busy editing on, is quite huge, and there's text that I'm looking to replace on this document. Therefore, I can't be scrolling through all of this looking for that. All I do is I press my Command F, and then the Find and Replace box opens up for me to add and search. So I want to search for CPA, and it tells me there are CPA that have been meshed on the document. There's 12 of them, and you could go to the next search results to go find where the CPA is. And I just want the document to replace CPA with NPA. So I'm going to type NPA. So you could click on replace each, or you could click on replace all. As easy as that's done. Let's do an edit page. You could use a mouse, but again, we're trying to help you work better. If you press Command Enter, you add a page, or Control Enter. That's the quick way of doing it. And I will not bore you with all of these descriptions and the shortcuts. I want you to go grab this cheat sheet, but I want to show you a few of them that I absolutely think you must know, and that has saved me so much time. The layers, without going to position and going and finding your layers. If you press Alt and 1, you get access to all of your layers that you are busy working on. If you want to hide the layers panel, you again press Alt and 1, and then it goes away. Very cool, right? If this is adding value, please smash the like button and share this video so that we can help as many people as possible. The last one that I'm going to cover, we are going to group elements. Instead of clicking and holding and clicking and selecting one, you're going to group these elements by, first of all, pressing Command A. In other words, you're selecting all of your elements. If you're using Windows, again, it's a Control A. And then you're going to press Command G to group them. Then they are all grouped. Same principle with your Windows. It is a Control G, and then they are grouped. If this has added value, you cannot imagine how much my course is going to add value if you go over to Udemy, which is currently on special. I can't wait to see you there. Thank you so much for joining me on these shortcuts. Yes, you can download the free template or the cheat sheet in the description below. I appreciate you. I will see you on our next video.